Hello, good morning people, and welcome to Weremo's channel. You can call me Weremo, Nemo, or whatever you feel is good for you. So it's morning from my side and I'm going for milk to make some breakfast, and from there I shall be doing a cleaning motivation video because that's what is meant for today. Today I'm going to do a cleaning motivation vlog. So guys, the first thing I did was to go get some milk for breakfast, and then from there I fried some arrowroots. So yeah, I had some arrowroots that I had boiled early in the morning, so this is what we're going to have for breakfast. So yeah guys, I'm going to go ahead with my thing here, and you're so much welcome if you're new here. If it's your first time, you're so much welcome. Feel at home. And if you haven't subscribed, kindly make sure you have subscribed so that you can be among the first people to be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, I went ahead and drained off any excess water, and then I fried my ndomas, and they turned out so yummy. Let me know in the comment section if this is how you do it, or if you've ever tried it. Let me know in the comment section. So guys, after I was done with my breakfast, the next thing I did was to jump in right into my laundry basket because it was full of lots of dirty clothes. So guys, I'm going to do it manually. This is how I do it, the Kienyeji way. Yes, this is how I do. This is how people do it if you don't have a washing machine. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and sort out my clothes, the white from the colored ones. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to clear up my basins because they were a bit dirty. So don't mind my bathroom, that's how I live. That's how I've placed everything everywhere. And those containers at the background, that's where I store my water because at times we run out of water. So I hope you just don't mind and enjoy the vlog. So guys, I just had to do my cleaning, and I really hate hand washing clothes. I hate it so much. So I normally try to motivate myself by listening to music, and yeah, that's how I just do it basically. Yeah, at times cleaning can be a bit hectic, especially when you're doing it on hand. It can be a bit boring, but I normally motivate myself. I normally try to do this and not to keep too much laundry. I normally avoid bulk clothes. So I normally try to wash bits by bits to avoid those many clothes because I seriously hate washing clothes. So guys, yeah, you can also opt for a mama fua, but at times I normally find them not washing clothes the way I want. So you can find your clothes at times having a bit of stains, or they are just not washed clear well as you would want them to be washed. So that's why I normally prefer washing them for myself, even though I hate washing clothes. So yeah, I just have to push myself and do it. At this particular moment, I was done with my clothes, and I was to spread them out for them to dry. Yeah guys, and that was it. It seems simple, but what? This was lots of work, hard work, guys, immediately I was done with my clothes, I went ahead and cleared up my living room because where it was on a mess, everything was everywhere, the couches were so dirty. Yeah, my daughter had really messed up this place, so I just had to go ahead and clean up my seats. Oh my goodness, guys, how do you normally manage to do your stuffs, your chores around the house with kids? Because my kid normally disturbs me. She normally wants to do what I do. So if I have water, she's normally there. She wants to do what I'm doing. She wants to touch the water. And at times it becomes a little bit hectic. So guys, let me know in the comment section how you do it, especially to the moms. How do you normally manage this when you have kids around? You can see the way she's following me everywhere I'm going, and everything that I'm doing, she's just there. So guys, how do you manage to do this, especially when they are not asleep and you have to do the house chores? I hope you don't mind the background noise because guys, at the moment it's raining heavily. It's raining cats and dogs, so I hope that noise doesn't affect my voice. What I normally do to make my cleaning fun, I normally listen to music. I normally listen to my best playlist so that I can just enjoy and have a good vibe while doing this. So guys, the next thing I had to do was to do some justice to my screen and a bit of behind my curtains because there was a bit of dirt in there. So the next thing I had to do was to rub down my rug because it was a bit dirty and it had some small food particles, so I had to clean it down because yeah, you can understand when you have a kid and all that, it can be a little bit messy. So guys, the next thing I had to do was to mop down my floors because the dirt from the rug had accumulated, and I hope you don't mind, I'm using my rug because I don't have a mopper. My mopper at the moment has broken down. It's not working normal, it's spoiled, so I just have to use a rug. I have to do it manually. So guys, I normally avoid wearing slippers while washing because there's a time I was mopping the house and I really felt badly because the floors were slippery. I think it's because of the soapy water and I felt badly. Karibu hata nivunjike miguu. So guys, at this point I was super tired. I didn't manage to give my bathroom a good clean, so I just poured vim on my toilet bowl and on my sink, and that was it for my bathroom. I let it rest, and then I came later and washed it because I was tired. Thank you so much guys for watching up to this far. Bye. I'll see you on my next one. Stay safe.